It's an open question about whether people want to spend much of their time in a digital environment. The question becomes easy when you're asked to wear like a headset that is uncomfortable in the long term. And, but when you get something that's lightweight, there still is a question about whether people are going to want to make that immersive experience or semi-immersive experience their everyday reality. I think they're going to say they don't want it, but if the experience and the value they get and the entertainment they get from having it is considerable, I think they're going to put their qualms aside, just like we put our qualms aside about staring into an iPhone screen all the time, and adopt it if the technology is good enough and lightweight enough and non-intrusive enough. So I am Stephen Levy, editor-at-large of Wired and author of 8 books. Watch me on the Technologist of the Month podcast.